good morning everyone. This is the day second. I'm going to show you downward facing dogs. Okay, we're gonna practice together. I just learned today. This is the basic position. So you can do from the day one position plank. So spread your finger wide. Then you know the plank position, right? And then you can do sort of hip towards the sky higher than ever. Yes. The gazing point is navel. Relax your neck and then push your floor away through your hands. So now you can see the world upside down. I kind of like it. So then you can stay this position 30 seconds. So you can close your eyes or open your eyes. Deep breathing. I like to keep watching the world upside down. Sometimes watching your navel like this. You can smile it. Too hard to this position, you can just bend your knee. Or walking. Keep walking.